everyone, it's Rhonda. I just got back from the Dollar Tree and I went there to get one thing, and of course I got plenty of things. So I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the food items that I got. Now, I haven't seen these particular food items in forever, but I used to love them as a kid. Bugles. And those are the ones that have like the little, like a little horn. You stick your finger in them. Used to play with them like that. So I got 2 nacho cheese ones for $1. Then I have a 16-year-old dog, Papillon, and she has a very sensitive stomach. So I've been buying her, silliest thing, but baby food. And then they had these little cereal snacks. I thought those would be good to give a try with the sweet potato, because those are good for everybody. Then they had the banana ones, and then of course the little penguins are adorable, but they're just the covering. They'll tear off once you open it, but still a cute little package. And then the strawberry apple, and they are all natural, not made with GMOs or any artificial stuff, so they should be pretty good for her and not real fattening. So I grabbed those. Then I had to get me some of my favorite mints, the Lifesaver wintergreen mints. So I got me a package of those. And I think that was all the food. No, I got something else foody. Well, we'll come to it. Let's start on the next sack. Next thing I found were these adorable little expandable folders. And look how pretty they are. This one it's got 6 or 7. I thought these would be great for my receipts, storing files for taxes and that kind of thing. And if I want, I can reuse them. So I grabbed 2 of those. That was a new style or a new color. I hadn't seen those before. Then they had these. One in a melon. But look at the paper when you open it. It's got the same print on it. So cute. So I grabbed 1 of those. Next thing were these Shopkin stickers. So I grabbed 2 packages of them because they're so cute, and I use these kind of stickers all the time in my planner and on packages and just whatever. But look how adorable those are. Look at the little mop and the little bucket. So happy. So cute. So I grabbed 2 of those, 1 for me and 1 to share. Now they had some new dishes and stuff, but they were the plastic kind. But they had this plastic cover, and I use these to wrap up things that I send in friend mails and what have you. So I grabbed 1 of those, and then I grabbed the matching napkins. I believe the napkin has 16 in it, but they're the big ones, so that those are really cute. Then they had, these were new. These are actually like a faux leather in purple. They had purple, silver, gold, I think pink, but of course I got the purple one. Then my little dogs have long hair that gets in their eyes, so I grabbed a couple of these to use to pull their hair back, because those get lost. I found some little scissors for when I'm doing smaller things. I can never find a small pair of scissors. So I grabbed a package of those to see if they were good and sharp or not. I'll let you know whether they are or not. Then, I had not seen these at the Dollar Tree, the giant Tootsie Rolls, king size. So I grabbed 2 of those for my sweet center. Don't tell anybody I have that. And then the Twix white candy bars. I've never seen them at the Dollar Tree, so I thought I'd give those a try. And then they always have the Mamba candies, these fruit chews. I love those, so I grabbed 2 of those to put in my candy stash. Oh, and here is another keychain. It's a little flower, and I know they had this one purple, pink, and blue. So I grabbed them, of course. Alrighty. Next thing. Oh, here's some more napkins. This was the other design that they have, and I've got some plates somewhere that match that. Oh, here they are. I got the plates, and there's 14 of those, so I thought those would be real good for, you know, just a little party or whatever. Then they had these with the birds all over them. I loved those, so I grabbed 1 package of those. And then they had these plates, and these are really nice, big, heavy plates, so they're really good for, you know, little snacks or whatever in the evening. But I thought that one was especially cute. Then I found these travel stickers which I really liked. And so I grabbed one package of those. Let's see. Oh, this was something new I hadn't seen before. They're jumbo wall stickers, and look, they're the world. But I grabbed 2 of them because I'm not sure that's what I'm going to use them for. I may use these stickers to like cut out something else. I don't know. We'll see. But I thought they were really pretty, so I grabbed those. I grabbed a pair of these men's dress socks. They actually have really nice men's socks there. The women's socks sometimes are great, sometimes they're not so great. It just depends. But the reason I went in there was to get these satin pillowcases because I have a DIY coming up that I've been working on, and I needed some satin. And I thought, well, what cheaper way to get satin than at the Dollar Tree? And so they had it, so I grabbed it. So let me move this, and then I'll show you everything else that I got. Okay, all right, I'm back. Let me show you here. The next thing I found was this book. It's a Melissa Dela Cruz book, which I love her writings. Usually I've never seen this one, but for $1 I thought I would give it a try. Then they had all of these pearl stickers. Now I've got pearl stickers there before, and they're actually pretty good. So I got the blue ones, I got the pink ones, and then I found the actual pearl white ones. So I got 2 packages of each of those. And those are also going to be, I think, in the DIY. I'm going to kind of see and make it, whether I get it done or not. The next thing that I found, and I've bought these before, but I've used those. So I grabbed these in purple, and they're like blue, and there's some other kind of browns in here. And then I grabbed 2 packages of the green ones, and a package, 2 packages of the white with the black and iridescent. So I thought those would be really good for what I had planned. This I actually got to a friend of mine. Her husband hates flamingos. I don't know why, but every time I see one I have to buy it and hide it in his truck, or I'm kind of ornery that way. Don't tell him. And of course they had candles, so I had to grab some candles. These are the Air Fresh 2-in-1, and they smell like 2 different things. This one is Tropical Fruit and Island Breeze. And oh, it smells so clean and fresh, like the tropics. I just love it. And then this one is Tropical Breeze just by itself, which this smells like pineapple and coconut and yummy goodness. Then they had these cute little mason jar ones. This one smells like melon. Oh, it smells so good and so like summer spring. I just love it. And then the last one, also in a little mason jar, was a honeydew melon. Also good. Now they had one other one, but it didn't smell so good, so I just got those 2 because I liked the scent on those. Let's see. The next thing I got was these Claire and Danver. Now I love this stuff. I've never bought the foaming one before, so I thought I'd give it a try. And this one was actually open, so it leaked out a little bit, so it's sticky, so I'm not going to set it down. I'm going to put it back in the bag and go wash it. But these smell so good, and they last forever, so I grabbed that. Then the next thing was this wall sticker, and look how pretty it is. Is that not gorgeous? I just really, really liked it. It's nice colors. It reminds me of Pocahontas. Now I know that's terrible, but that's what it does. Then I got these. I love these because they're envelopes. They have, you can put them inside like a binder, which is great for when you have small things that you want to keep together, or if you have a package that had like let me get my mouth working here. If you had a paper pad that came with ephemera and stickers or whatever else, you can stick all those in there and put the paper pad, if it's a 12 by 12, obviously won't fit in here, but you can put this with it, and then it all stays together and it's not just flopping all around. I also use these for my planner things, like when I'm putting together a planner spread, I'll put the planner sheets in here, and then any stickers or any washi or anything like that I want to add to it. So I grabbed some of those, and I grabbed enough to share in some friend mail because I think they're wonderful, so I'm sure other people will also find them quite wonderful. The next thing I found were these tissue papers. Again, those are for friend mails, but I thought the flowers were so pretty, and I love that teal, so I grabbed that. Also in the school section, they had this file folder, and it's vinyl, but it's just so pretty. It's watercolor, and it's, you know, Ferris wheel and Eiffel Tower, and I think that's supposed to be like Greece, maybe. I don't know. New York, Paris, Rome, all of those, and then it's got the stamps on the back. So that was really cool, so I grabbed that. Next thing, because you could never have enough batteries, I got AA and AAA batteries. I grabbed some of these self-adhesive hooks. I've used these in everywhere. I use them in my craft room. I use them in the bathroom. But I saw on Pinterest or somewhere where someone had put these on the door to their cabinet where their pots and pans are, and they put them so that these would hold the lids to their pans and they'd be out of the way. So I'm going to give that a try, and hopefully that'll work for me. We'll see. I picked up some of this pretty sequin ribbon. I got the blue and the pink because I'm doing a DIY, and those are going to be used for that. They go perfect with all of that. Oh, here's the other food I got. I knew I got some more food. I got some Lay's stacks because they're delicious. I got 2 packages of those because I'll eat one myself and Rusty will eat the other whole one himself. I picked up these floral foams, and again, another DIY I have coming up on the channel, so keep a watch out. They have all different sizes in them, so I grabbed 2 of those. And I grabbed some more of this sand because the last DIY I did with this sand didn't work out so good, so I'm going to give it another go. I think I've got it figured out now. And let's see, the last package. Yay! Last package of stuff. Oh, let me move this and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Now, the last things I got were movies. Now, normally Dollar Tree it's kind of iffy on movies, but they had some really good ones this time that I did not have. So I got Bill Murray's Scrooged. If you haven't seen that, that is the funniest show, but I love Bill Murray. I got this movie, Black Hawk Down. I've never seen that, but I know that it's supposed to be really good, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. Believe it or not, I have almost every musical known to man, but I do not have Grease, so I got that. And crazy enough, they had some Blu-rays there, which just blew me away for $1. They had Johnny Mnemonic, which I've never seen that movie, and I love Keanu Reeves, so that's surprising. And I also got Constantine, the 2-disc deluxe edition. I mean, I know this movie came out probably in '97 or something. Look at me, I'm winded. I sound like I've been running a marathon. I don't know when it came out, but it's an old movie, but it's a good movie, so I grabbed that. Then Ultraviolet, I'll get that out, another good movie. And then I found the Blu-rays. Now, the first Blu-ray I found was Paranoia, and to tell you the truth, I got it only because it has Harrison Ford in it and Liam Hemsworth. I love both of them. I also love Gary Oldman, so this could be a really good movie. I don't know, I've never seen it. I've never heard of this movie, Stonehurst Asylum, but it has quite a few. It's got Ben Kingsley in it, Michael Caine, Kate Beckinsale, so I'm going to give that a go. Never heard of this movie either, but I love Robbie Amell. He's, I think he used to be, can't remember if he was on, what the name of that show was, but he's cousins to the guy that plays Arrow on TV, so he's a pretty good actor. I like that, so I'm going to give that a try. I got an Adam Sandler movie. I've never heard of this, Reign Over Me. But for $1, I figure I could use up an hour and a half of my time and see if it was any good or not. And then this one, and I truly bought it because it has Gerard Butler on it, and I love that man. He's one of my favorites. And then the last movie I got was this one called Charlie Countryman. Never heard of this, but it has Shia LaBeouf in it. And it looks like it's got that looks like, what's her name? The girl from Twilight? No, Evan Wood. That's Evan Rachel Wood, I guess. I thought it was a Twilight girl. But again, I've never heard of the movie, so it has Mads Mikkelsen in it, and he's a really good actor. He was in that TV series that was about Hannibal Lecter that I really liked. And so I thought I'd give it a go. We'll see. Alrighty, well, I think that is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. If y'all liked everything, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and stay tuned. There'll be videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.